stable, welcome each one of you today in my channel. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you for all the love and support, guys. Thank you, really appreciate it. Well, today our recipe was requested by Myrin Rodriguez and Erlyn Decia from Hong Kong. But before we go on to that, guys, shout out first to Tiny, Piamonte, and AJ John. Hello to all of you there. All right, do you know why green bell pepper is cheaper than the red, orange, and yellow bell pepper? Of course, it's because red, yellow, and orange bell peppers are excellent source of vitamin A, C, potassium, and it contains fiber, folate, and iron. And one more thing, guys, red bell peppers contains lycopene. Okay, so ugaliin natin kumain ng bell peppers. Speaking of bell peppers, today our recipe would be beef short ribs with bell peppers. Here are the ingredients. So guys, I know that a lot of us are very busy with our work and our family, especially our children. So today I will show you a quick recipe of a beef short ribs. I have here 1.5 pounds of beef short ribs. If you have the pounder, you can use it to tenderdice your meat. So we will cut this into big chunks. Okay, this is a tip for you so that your meat will be tender and soft. I have here a half a cup of water and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Mix up together. Pour on your meat. Leave for about 10 minutes. And you have, after 10 minutes, you have to wash it thoroughly. So after 10 minutes, I wash my ribs and we will use this sauce today. But if you don't, this is not available in your area, I will post in my description box how to make a black pepper sauce for your ribs. Okay, so I just have to get 1 tablespoon just to marinate the beef for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Next, we will cut our vegetables. I have here a little bit of asparagus. This is optional. If you want to put, if you have this available on your kitchen, that's fine, but if you don't, that's okay. And also spring onion. Okay guys, let's go and start cooking. Okay, in our pan we have to put heat up first and put some oil. Then we need to sear our ribs. Babaliktad na lang natin siya para mag-brown din yung kabilang side. When both sides are browned, I will add half a cup of beef broth. And tatakpan natin siya so that our meat will be cooked thoroughly. So after 10 minutes, depende kung gaano karami ang inyong beef, pwede na natin siyang i-set aside. Wow, it's so good. Yum. Set aside first in a clean plate or bowl. Then, using the same pan, put a little bit of olive oil again and your red onion. Next is your garlic. Just 2 cloves will be good enough. Ayan, ang bango na ng ating onion. We can now put our bell pepper. Then, we can put our asparagus and the spring onion. Put a little bit beef stock. Remember, do not overcook your vegetables, so it will still be crunchy and crispy. And then, just get a teaspoon of the black pepper sauce that I showed you and put all into the remaining beef stock. Now you can put back the beef. Ito yung binibili natin sa mga Chinese restaurants. So, even though it's COVID time, you can make dishes like restaurant style, right? Okay guys, this is done. We don't want to overcook the vegetables. So, I will now put in my plate and we'll eat. So, nandito na guys, our short ribs, beef short ribs. Thank you so much for watching. And those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also please click on the bell button so you will be notified every time I'm gonna post a recipe in my channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you again next time.